It's time to get up, sweetheart. Your alarm clock's going off.
Walk off.
It's 8 o'clock. I haven't. We're coming through because we're blowing. Morning. You get an early morning wake up around here. Because if you look, sun's right in your fucking bed. Right in bed. Coffee time anyway. It is nice. I'm unsure about the half-6 wake up. I'm unsure about the half-6 wake up. Somebody chopping wood as well. Other than that, beautiful morning. Just got the gods just appeared. Well, the voice did. Coffee, please. Just remind me you picked this one. With who? She picked it. Morning. Open door and get yourself in the living room. There you go, kettle's here. Morning.
Morning.
Even dog's howling. Where's the cat gone, sweet?
In the house. Looking for the cockroach.
She's asking how we slept last night. I sorted it out, don't worry, I sorted it out.
Oh, you got very, very strong body. Anything you can diet.
Yeah, I defended her. You're going to tell everybody, aren't you? Wait till people see the video at 2 o'clock in the night. I've got to find a place to put it in.
For what?
The video in of last night. Good, it's about good enough. Put it in now, innit? At this moment to show us what we were doing at 2 o'clock. Eh?
What?
So I put the video in at this point. Yeah.
It's there.
Where is it now?
Oh, get out of bed. Get out of fucking bed.
She woke me up naked, jumped on top of me. Thought, are we having sex? I thought it was something new. She's said there's something in the room.
Andrew, it's fucking right.
Where is it now?
Your fucking head.
Then she went, it's got me flip flop. I said, he's just trying it on. It's in your bed. It's in the bed. Where is it? And then she said, can you get your phone? I think she was. I said, why? Does he want to make a phone call? I've got your slipper and flipper here. He's brought his your flipper back. What are you doing?
It's on the fucking bed.
It was on the ceiling a minute ago. Just take it bloody wide. Oh, up there, it's fucking awkward as hell, this. Take the bloody time. Down in, just gone past Latchy, we're at the beach. We're just having a little wander drive down. See what it looks like. Looks like there's a breeze. Umbrellas flying around. Flag is. I bring you to all the best places, don't I? Come on, let's go explore. What's up now? We'll have a look for sweets. Put some oil on sweets. Better put some fucking Factor 50 on my bastard napper. There. We've seen that we're collecting oils. We've got oils all over now. Yeah. Don't we put some on? On you. Everybody's coming this way. Don't know why. There must be something good here because the car's parked up. Oh, hey up. There's a spring in your step now. What have you seen? A fucking camper van. Way up. A bloody camper van. She's into it now. This is what she wants. One of these she wants. Have a look. We'll walk past it in a minute. Oh, you're too busy at bloody camper van, you. Look, see, that's what she wants to do. A camper van and a view. Oh, way up. Camera's out. The cam. Two snorkelers out there. And a paddle boater. She's one top and left now. Found a campsite here. And they have to climb down to the rock floor. Not for us, that is it. Not that bloody climb. There's people right down there you can't see and they've gone behind the trees.
People out there snorkeling.
Yeah, I'll film them. I better go just film them from the other side. Following the rules as well. They've got a sign up, a boy behind them. Where I can find them. Where are they now? That's the... There should be... There's somewhere... Where are they? There they are. supposed to have a boy behind you to so sailors and know that you're there. What's that like, sweets? Nice that. I've got a cold cappuccino. It's cold? Well, don't drink it all at once. You got a brain freeze, you're greedy, that's why. Greedy sod. We're at a bit of a loose end, aren't we? Of what to do. He's there, sweetheart. Don't drink it all at once. Fucking greedy fuck. You put some in her mouth, she won't take the fucker out. Yeah. Maybe one day. I thought my luck was in last night. Only look but cockroach. Anyway, we don't know what to do with ourselves, do we?
What?
We just had a look down there.
Might go on a boat after.
We might go on a boat. We might go on a boat.
Romantic boat trip. Just the two of us.
Yeah, it's too hot.
If we drive, just
It's getting into the 30s now. Just we're clicking away. We're clicking away at it. I mean, do you really imagine me and Julie on a boat? Look at her, look with life jackets on and everything. Huh? I don't think so. We've had a look at that cheer, we've pretty much seen it. We're having a venture out. See if we can find a non-rammed beach somewhere that's fucking not full of locals. Because it's Sunday, so everybody seems to be at the beach. I've got you to the beach. Got me to the beach. It's nice and rubbly. Nice, secluded, right on main road. But we need somewhere to have a drink and something to eat. They've got the deck chairs out there. It looks quite rocky. When you're not into waves, there you go. No, I don't really want to drive forever. I haven't driven forever. But I said to her, I said, look, we're just going down this road and find somewhere that's nice. We've got a bar and a restaurant on this side of the road. And then instantly she went, we're having this one. Why?
somewhere to sit.
Because of that.
Well,
Because of that. Just figuring it out now. Because we've been past a few places, haven't we, and went, oh, it's on the wrong side. So we're going to get something to eat. Because she's hungry now. You want to go and check the temperature of the water? Alright. Well, people are in anyway.
Audio and TV accessories are available. For more
Santa Barbara Beach Bar. But well, let's just hope they've got some. Let's hope they've got some English for you. Sausage egg. Julie's weighing it all up. There you go. But you can get him there.
a little bit.
Fancy a bit more adventurous, do you?
chicken Caesar that.
A chicken Caesar? What was that with smoked turkey and cheese? I thought it was smoked. She won't. We'll just go in for chicken breast with lettuce. Fucking fire. Don't risk it, you go. What are you on, girl? What are you on again? Food time. I'm on Cypriot sausage. Cypriot sausage. Do you want to try some? I'll give you some of my sausage anytime you ask, sweetheart. You can have a mouthful whenever. When we get to the car, I'll give you a bigger mouthful. 2 o'clock this morning, I'll put the video up. They've already, at this stage, they've already seen the video. We were fucking about at 2 o'clock this morning. Weren't we? I like you open door and cool it down, sweets. Right, it's about 34 degrees. It's sweltering. There's a nice breeze off the sea. She was going to stay here, but I don't think she wants to drive further up. She wants to drive further up, see what she can see. Is it warm enough in there, love? Are you warm enough?